Hello, it's Ricardo and welcome back to Farming Simulator 2022. As you can see, my good old Massey Ferguson has had a little bit of action. It's got 52% damage, and that's bordering on the failure rate. But how do you repair in Farming Simulator machinery that has got a little bit of damage? Well, it's quite simple. What you do, you find the shop area. You must all know where your shop is by now in Farming Simulator, because you would have bought your items from there. Well, as you can see, right next to the shop, we've got a repair icon, a little spanner that's there at the repair shop. I have parked my tractor and my roller right in the section where it needs to be repaired. I'm going to go over to the spanner. I'm going to press the R key on PC, and it'll show me all the things that I need to know. So there's my Massey Ferguson, 20 months old, been running for 9 hours, no problem. We've got a repaint, 24 grand. Yes, we look all nice and shiny. Or you can repair it for 4,864. Interesting how the paint cost more than the actual repair at 52%. But hey, I'm not going to go arguing. We're going to click on repair, and that's now being repaired. The same goes for, as you can see, my Dalbo Powerroll 1230 HD. It's worth 20 grand. I can repaint it for 8 grand. Why would I want to do that? Or I can just repair it for 1,142. We'll click on a repair. We're not made of money. Okay, and for 8 grand, you got to think, well, yeah, I'll just sell it and just buy a new one. You can also got the option there to go customizing, should you want to put in a different wheel setup. The same with your tractors as well. You can go and mess around here. If you go into customize, then you can see you can change your wheel brand, you can change your wheel weights, you can say your interior setup and change that to a more efficient, exclusive version. You can have the anniversary version, you name it. You can really have a good mess around and change your front mountings and everything. So that is typically how to post buying a tractor or a piece of machinery. You can repair it, repaint it, and then if you need to, make any designed modifications to it. Hope you have enjoyed the video on how to repair items in Farming Simulator 2022. Quite easy when you know how. Like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and check back for more videos in the series.